Hey guys, I get asked a lot for 12 Wings updates, and I don't get to this side of town that often anymore because I live and work in a different side of town, and my wife's job is still over here, but she hasn't been into the office since before the pandemic, so I don't get over here much, but I did have a chance to get over here today, and the developments are very interesting, at least to me. If you look at it, you can see that turns out they kept a lot of the original, much more than they were originally planning to. I'm sure that has something to do with the material shortage. It looks like most of the outer facade of the building is the same. They're obviously doing new siding. I can't tell if that brick in the middle section is new or if that was always like that. I'd have to go look at some older videos. I know the other brick is original. And honestly, those windows even look very similar to the original windows. So either they put the original ones back in or they found replacements that are very similar. So it's definitely a lot more of the original building kept than was originally the plan, which is nice. I appreciate that. You can see they're building out the two little decks for the upper condos on each side. I believe this is going to be 9 condos. So you can see there's a deck there. How would they do 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you could do 3 on each floor, but I don't see how you do 3 on the bottom floor. Unless they were like at 0 sunlight access. Well, I don't know. I guess 3 on each floor, but how would you do 3? Maybe it's not 9. I know that plan. I mean, I could look at the plans online. I remember there being a discussion of 9 at one time, but I think the plans online may be different. And there's an electrical truck over there, so they're clearly redoing the wiring. And yeah, I will hopefully be able to get a tour when it's completed, and if I am allowed to film, I will. But this is for the people that wanted to know how it's going. Looks like it's going very slowly, but good progress, positive progress. So, okay, I hope some of you appreciated that. Thanks for watching.